Example, solve for x in 3 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 81. Solution. Let's rewrite the question. 3 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 81. To solve this, we'll make 81 write 81 in index form with a base of 3. That is 3 times 3, that's 9, times 3, that's 27, times 3, that's 81. That is 81 will be equal to 3 raised to the power 4 in index form with a base 3. So here we'll have 3 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 3 raised to the power of 4. So here, since they're having the same base, we just equate the powers. So equate the powers. We have x minus 1 equals 4. And to solve this, we collect like terms. X equals, the number we have here, 4, minus 1 is coming to this side. You change the sign, it becomes plus 1. So we have x equals 5, which gives us the value for x.